Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I am sitting in the most comfortable bed ever. This is by Lijimei. I am so in love with it, and it has given us more space in our bedroom, which seems impossible if you get the same size bed. I love how this bed is really low profile, so it makes a statement with the buttons and the fabric headboard, but the footboard is just the base, so it still looks nice because it has the fabric, but there's nothing sticking up. So not only does this take up less space in our room, it actually gives us about 3 more inches at the end of our bed, which is so nice when you're already dealing with a tight space. It also makes it really easy to make the bed because you don't have the hassle of working around a footboard, which I really like. It was fairly easy to put together. It took me about an hour by myself. It is very sturdy. The whole base is made of stainless steel, so it feels very strong and intact. I also love the slats, how they are Velcro all the way down, so you don't have to worry about those shifting under your mattress. So with this bed, you do not need a box springs, which I also love, and I love the feeling of just the mattress underneath us. I feel like it's just a cozier feel. I think the fabric headboard just makes it feel really warm and cozy. It is packaged super condensed. Everything is inside of the headboard, which also means you could store stuff in there later, which I find really cool. So I am so in love with this bed. I've been sleeping so well. So happy we have it. It is so comfortable. I know you're going to like it too, but that's just our point of view.